Okay guys, so I have made one video on group buy. So I have seen that many students are facing problem on group buy. So what is group buy? So group buy means it is first dividing the data into groups and then it is performing operations on each group. So I have taken one data set as total bills and sex, right? So now I have taken one question with this example. I will be explaining the thing. What is the average total bill made as per gender? Now, if we divide this question, that average total bill made as per gender. So basically what we want to find that how much average total bills made by males and how much average total bill made by females. So what we will be doing, we will be grouping the things, grouping the gender. What is the question as per gender it is mentioned. So what we will be doing, we will be grouping the gender. We have grouped the genders, and now based on each gender how much they have spent, how much males have spent. See, 1 male, 2 male, 3 male and 4 male. 4 males we have taken, and how many females are there? 3 females are there. 3 females we have taken. Now on basis of that we will be finding out the average of both of them. We will be finding out the average of both of them, and that will be our answer. That is the average total bill made as per gender. Simple meaning is that we will be finding out how much average total bill made by each gender, how much total bill made by the male and how much total bill made by the female. That is what we want to find out, and that is all about group buy.